Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see how teachers of AskHow solve drop-up questions. Here is the bunch of questions. One question is selected. In this question we have to use synthetic division method to divide the given polynomial. Here teacher can see in large image of question. Teacher is writing the steps to solve the given question. Teacher is explaining how to solve it step by step. First teacher written the given polynomial. We have to divide the above polynomial by x minus 4. So in this case x is equals to 4. Here teacher written the coefficients of given polynomial. First coefficients is written as it is. Here, teacher multiplied two numbers 5 and 4. 5 into 4 equals 20. Here we have to multiply 19 by 4. 19 into 4 equals 76. Now we have to multiply 76 by 4. (76 into 4 equals 304). Here 310 is reminder. Now we have to write the equation from above coefficients. This is our final answer. Now teacher is uploading answer to platform. Now successfully answer is submitted. Thanks for watching the video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe.